Welcome back to another episode of After 5 Garage. I'm your host, Matt, and yes, I know, I look like a baby. Clean shaven beard, clean haircut. So I want to admit something on camera that I probably shouldn't, but it's gonna happen anyway. I'm getting old. So I currently have OMP racing style bucket seats in the Supercharged 370, and I'm gonna openly admit they're a pain in the ass to get in and out of. The passenger side currently does not have a slider, so whoever rides in my car, they're pretty much stuck there. If you are not aware, bucket style seats, meaning they do not recline. So you could see how this could turn into a pain in the ass. So what do we do in this situation? We go back to stock. I had these sitting in storage and we're gonna clean them up a little bit, but I just can't do it anymore, guys. I need to go back to OEM. I miss reclining my seats. It's really hard to buckle our seatbelts. I'm not doing this because of my wife, but my wife doesn't even enjoy getting in the car anymore because of the seats. And I love taking her out on cruises and drives. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these swapped out. It's just eight 14 millimeter bolts. We'll go ahead and get those out and swap out these seats. Started with the driver's side. We're gonna pop off these little plastic caps that cover the bolts. And that's gonna expose our 14 millimeter bolts. We're gonna do the same for the rear. Remove those two caps, remove the two 14 millimeter bolts, and let's get this seat out of here. Take the OEM seatbelts off. Then you're going to take your seatbelt, slide it through here, take your OEM bolt, get that tightened down. I'm getting old, guys. Oh, the OEM seats feel better. Oh, this is so nice. I could recline. You know, this kind of leads me to another talking point. So this is a real thing where if you over modify your car, it almost makes it unenjoyable. It almost makes it a chore to drive. I know this is gonna sound silly. It's like, oh, it's just seats. Oh, it's not your daily driver. I will be very open and transparent with you guys. There was multiple times where I'm driving this car and I'm enjoying it. The seats are just making it unenjoyable. So yeah, comment down below. What do you think? Do you believe that you could over modify your car to where it makes it unenjoyable for you and just makes it a chore? Just taking it out every time is just a hassle. And I just don't want this car to become that. So you want to watch me get this seat out? Oh, I definitely thought I would struggle more than that. Hell yeah. It's always easy to remove, always harder to go back in.
Wait, what?
Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, bitch. Guys, is this what getting old is like? Because I've dreamt of getting these kind of seats for the longest time. Now that I have them, it's just not living up to the hype. So with that being said, these seats might be up for sale. I got to do a little investigating on the serial numbers to see where they come from, because there is a little story behind these seats. I don't want to reveal that story until I have more confirmation. But yeah, OEM seats back in the Z. I know this wasn't the most fun and exciting video, but my back is gonna love this. It's an investment for my back, okay? All right, keep me around longer. So yeah, thank you for tuning in to After 5 Garage. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.